Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current Visual Studio Code version on Windows. So it's very easy. At first go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google search type VS Code and press enter, that is Visual Studio Code. Here it is code.visualstudio.com, the official website. Click on it. Herein you can see the current version is visible, version 1.74. You can directly click on here to download it for Windows, or you can click here to download for Linux and Mac as well. So I'll just click on the following to download for Windows. Now the download should start. It started. It's only 88 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So the download completed for the exe file. Now I'll double click on it to install. Minimize. The download started. Click on I accept the agreement. VS Code is owned by Microsoft, so it's fine. It is open source. This version is open source. So I'll accept the agreement. Click on next. Here it is. It will get installed in the following location, which is fine with me. If you want, you can change the location from here by clicking browse. It will only take 353 MB, which is fine. Click on next. Now start menu folder, keep the default and click on next again. Let us create a desktop icon also. Rest keep the same and click on next. Install. It will now install it. So guys, we have successfully completed the installation. When I'll click on finish, it will launch automatically because we have selected it. Because it got selected by default, I'll uncheck and click on finish. It also created a desktop shortcut because we selected the option. We can also go to start and type Visual Studio Code, and here it is. We can also open it from here. I'll just click on here to open it. So this will open for the first time. Here it is. Okay, here is the release. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the current Visual Studio Code version. Thank you for watching the video.